Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to day 13. Hope you're all doing well. We're gonna open a booster pack. And we got a special guest with us today. You wanna show the special guest? We got little Caramel.
That's his name.
Yeah, that's his name.
See?
So hopefully Caramel brings us some good luck. And we get some nice pulls. Well, let's see. There you go. Fire Energy. Gligar. I don't know. Fuecoco. The Sword. I have no idea who this is. It looks cool. Tatsugiri.
Oh, I have that card.
Giri. Gloves. Oh no, that's the vest. Fish. Crab. Milk Tank. And H/. So no luck for me today. Come here, you little rascal. Oh, we got Relicanth. Pumpkaboo, I think. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is either. I don't know who that is. I don't know. Whimsir and Milotic. Well, guys, no luck, but we got little Caramel with us, so we're happy. Hope you guys have a great day.